In this video, you'll learn how to share your Microsoft Bookings link so other people can easily schedule time with you online. Even though this is a quick process, I'll walk you through each click so you know exactly what to do and what each part means. First, let's get to the right place. Open your web browser and in the address bar, type book.ms and press enter. This short address takes you straight to the Microsoft Bookings site. If you're not already signed in, you may be asked to log in with your work or school account. Once you're signed in, you should see your Microsoft Bookings homepage with your booking calendars or pages listed. Now find the specific booking page that you want to share. This might be a general bookings page for your team, or a personal bookings page that lets people choose a time with you. Take a moment to confirm you're on the correct one, especially if you manage multiple calendars. Sharing the right link is important so your guests see the correct services, availability, and time zone. With the correct booking page open, look for the share icon. Depending on your layout, this is usually near the top of the page. It often looks like an arrow pointing out of a box or a standard share symbol. Move your mouse over the page controls until you see an option that clearly says something like share or shows the share icon. Click that share icon. When you click the icon, Microsoft Bookings will generate a shareable link for that specific booking page. This link is what you'll use to let others book appointments with you. Take a quick look at any settings that might appear in the share window. In many cases, you'll simply see the link ready to copy, but sometimes you might also see options to share via email or other channels. For this tutorial, we'll focus on copying the link directly. Now, click the option to copy the link. This is usually a button labeled copy or similar. When you click it, the full bookings link is copied to your clipboard. That means you can now paste it anywhere you need, in an email, a chat message, your email signature, or even on a website or intranet page. After you've copied the link, it's a good idea to test it. Open a new browser tab, paste the link into the address bar, and press enter. You should see the public-facing bookings page that your customers or colleagues will see. Check that the name, services, and time zone look correct, and that the available times match what you expect. If something doesn't look right, you can go back to your bookings page, adjust your settings or availability, and then use the same share icon to get the updated link. Once everything looks good, you're ready to start using your Microsoft Bookings link. Paste it into your communications so people can schedule time with you without the back and forth of finding a meeting slot. And remember, whenever you need it again, just return to book.ms, open the booking page you want to share, click the share icon, and copy the link.